Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to Indian Rail Updates. December 6th is the 68th death anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, so-called Mahaparinirvan Divas. On the December 6th, people in large number are expected to come to pay homage to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on his 68th death anniversary at Chaitya-Bhumi, which is located at Shivaji Park, which less than 2 kilometers from Dadar railway station. So the Central Railway allocated some special train for hassle-free journey of passengers. 16 unreserved special train have been arranged by Central Railway. I will share the whole details about the special train which provided by Central Railway. Most of the special train runs from Nagpur to CSMT and vice versa. Those special train coach composition are 16 general class chair car and sleeper class plus reserved for disabled people. Those special train runs from Nagpur CSMT, Kalaburgi CSMT, Amaravati CSMT, Adilabad Dadar. Some of the special train has 22 general class and people can freely travel through Mumbai. Not only Central Railway but South Central Railway also allocated some special train for Mahaparinirvan Divas. And those special train will run from Adilabad to Dadar and vice versa. Train number 07058 which run from Adilabad to Dadar, and the train will depart from Adilabad at 7 o'clock and arrived Dadar at 3:30 am. And the train will return from Dadar on 7th December Saturday and will arrive at Adilabad at 6:45 pm. So this is all today. Thank you for watching.